These 10 foods will cleanse your body completely. From time to time, our body needs more energy along with stress relief, in order to preserve our health. Therefore, it's crucial to boost up your morning energy through a simple natural cleanse. Hence, it helps to improve the functions of the body organs and eliminates all toxic substances from the body. At first, you need to know there is a difference between a cleanse and detox. A detox diet eliminates highly processed foods that have solid fats and added sugar. On the other hand, a cleanse eliminates unhealthy foods and focuses on consuming whole, healthy foods. Therefore, eating specific foods can maintain our body's balance and detoxify it efficiently by getting rid of all toxins from the body. Here are 10 foods that will cleanse your body completely. Lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which aids the immune system. Moreover, they help your body to improve the function of the liver and gallbladder by eliminating the toxins from your body. A glass of warm lemon water right in the morning is extremely beneficial for your overall health. Parsley. This herb is abundant in anti-inflammatory properties. The high levels of antioxidants and flavonoids found in parsley help to clean the liver, kidneys, and gastrointestinal tract. Grapes. Grapes are a powerhouse of antioxidants and other compounds that can help to clean your tissues, regulate cholesterol, and improve digestion and liver function. Also, they purify your blood, due to the resveratrol, a compound consisted in red wine. Asparagus. Asparagus has the ability to eliminate toxins through the urine system and supply it with numerous important nutrients. Apples. Apples are loaded with fiber, yet they're extremely effective in getting rid of toxins. They promote weight loss, help digestion, prevent food cravings, improve cholesterol, and promote mental health. Artichoke. Consuming artichokes in the morning can help supply probiotics and improve digestive health, as well as improve the detoxification of the liver. Celery. Celery has strong diuretic abilities that relieve water retention. Also, it's capable to eliminate toxins and harmful parts stored in your body. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have crucial nutrients that keep the blood from clotting. Additionally, they have powerful antioxidants that prevent free radical damage and cleanse your body from toxins. Onion. Onions can effectively eliminate toxins from the body. Also, they treat indigestion, asthma, blood toxicity, and relieve nasal congestion. Pomegranate. Pomegranates provide an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. They prevent free radical damage, relieve diarrhea, cleanse the body, and fight numerous diseases, including cancer.